What's going on, guys? If you have one of these new Denago electric golf carts, or honestly it could be many different brands or models that experience what I'm going to tell you about, now remember, even when brand new, these off-road type of tires are not well balanced, and the wheels are not balanced either from the factory, so they're not the smoothest thing in the world driving on pavement or your local road or whatever. But if yours is actually worse than just some normal little bouncy vibration at high speed, we found something where this one was actually bouncing like, I mean, it was bad. And we were like, what the heck, this thing is brand new. And then we got to looking at this little control arm nut right here. It was loose. Even though it has a cotter pin going through it, it was actually all the way down at the bottom of the threads here, where it should be at, you're showing about 3 threads or so when it's in proper form. Just on our left side, this nut was quite loose, which means it came from the factory that way, even with a cotter pin through it. So check that. Make sure you look at both of them. See how many threads are showing right there? It's about 3 or so. Compared to the other side, roughly 3 threads exposed. That's what they should be at. But if yours is quite loose, it could be very bouncy going down the road. Check out our other videos. We got all kinds of stuff about golf carts, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, lawnmowers, hot rods, trucks, all kind of cool stuff on our channel. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen. And also check out the description for our social media links. That's it. You'll have a great day.